Alright folks, I'm in the middle of Kings County after taking off from Corcoran, and let's see if I can see San Joaquin train 715 or northbound train to Oakland Jack London Square. Here she comes. Here she is. 2012. Cabcar 8302. Nice. There she goes. West to Oakland. North to Oakland. We'll continue on to Corcoran, Hanford, Fresno, Madera, Merced, Jalactanir, Modesto, Stockton, Antioch, Martinez, Richmond, Emeryville. Final destination of this train is Oakland Jack London Square. At Emeryville Station, there are bus connection services towards the Bay Area, including the Transbay Terminal in downtown San Francisco. Live in Kings County, folks. Thank you all for watching, and I'm out. Till next time. See ya.